I want a full head of hair, so freaking bad.
Now, if you're tearing your hair out in search of an answer to your man's balding noggin, then look no more. There already is a solution if you've got the funds. Glenda went to suss out the whole world of hair transplants.
I want a full head of hair, so freaking bad. Buy all the hair gels I never had.
Ever wondered how stars like Jeremy Piven, Brendan Fraser, Matthew McConaughey and Jimmy Nesbitt go from having no hair to a full head of hair? Well, thanks to advanced medical science, your man can now go from looking like Gollum to Goldilocks in a matter of weeks. You're halfway through the treatment. How are you feeling?
Not bad. Like it's a lot more relaxing than I thought it was. And what they've done, they just ended up numbing the area with a needle, and that's the only pinch that you feel. The rest of the procedure then is pretty much very fast.
So you didn't feel anything, it was just the noise really that you heard, wasn't it?
It's not even the noise, like you're used to the noise. It's not as if you use your finger to tap yourself on the head. That's pretty much the noise that you feel. And then once they take out the hairs, you'll have a break, bit of food, bit of biscuits to get your sugar level up. And then you start again, and they numb the front of the area as well. Put a few holes down, and then they'll start implanting the hairs in a line or design that they think is best.
And of course, let's not forget that women can lose their hair too. You can see here how quick the healing process is. The hair has grown and the redness died down over a 12-day period. For more information, contact the Ailesbury Clinic in Dublin. Consultation.
And you can take my picture with the camera up.
I have to say, fair play to Andrew, our candidate there. He's a very brave man.
I want a full head of hair, so freaking bad. Buy all the hair